How to whittle a wood like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to whittle wood like a pro. Gather your tools and materials. You will need a sharp knife, a piece of wood, and a surface to work on. It's important to use a sharp knife for whittling because it will allow you to make clean, precise cuts without tearing or splintering the wood. You can use a variety of different types of knives for whittling, including pocket knives, utility knives, and specialized whittling knives. Choose a piece of wood that is straight and free of knots or other imperfections. Start by sketching out a rough plan. Before you begin whittling, it can be helpful to sketch out a rough plan of what you want to create. This can help you visualize the final shape and size of your piece, and give you a roadmap to follow as you work. You can sketch your plan on paper or use a pencil to mark the wood itself. Begin by removing large pieces of wood. Use the knife to carefully cut away large pieces of wood from the piece you are working on. Make long, sweeping cuts and follow the grain of the wood as closely as possible. Avoid making short, choppy cuts, as these can create rough, uneven surfaces. Gradually refine the shape of your piece. As you remove the larger pieces of wood, you can start to refine the shape of your piece by making smaller, more precise cuts. Use the tip of the knife to carefully remove small shavings of wood and smooth out any rough or uneven areas. Pay attention to the grain of the wood. As you work, pay close attention to the grain of the wood. The grain is the direction in which the wood fibers are aligned. Following the grain will help you avoid breaking or splintering the wood and will give your piece a more natural, flowing look. Practice different cutting techniques. There are a variety of different cutting techniques you can use when whittling. For example, you can use the push cut technique to remove long, thin shavings of wood, or the paring cut technique to smooth out rough or uneven surfaces. Experiment with different techniques to find the ones that work best for you. Take breaks and sharpen your knife regularly. Whittling can be a relaxing and enjoyable activity, but it can also be physically demanding. Be sure to take breaks and stretch your hand and wrist regularly to prevent fatigue. It's also important to sharpen your knife regularly to keep it sharp and effective. You can use a sharpening stone or a honing rod to maintain the edge of your knife. Finish and protect your piece. Once you have achieved the desired shape and finish on your piece, you can apply a wood finish to protect it and give it a polished look. There are a variety of different wood finishes you can use, including oil, wax, and varnish. Choose a finish that is appropriate for the type of wood you are using and the intended use of your piece. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can learn to whittle wood like a pro. Whittling can be a rewarding and relaxing hobby that allows you to create beautiful and functional objects with your own hands. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.